back to my channel. I get a lot of these comments usually on my haul videos asking me what I'm wearing under a specific dress or an off-shoulder top. I actually did a very detailed video on that on my channel, so I'm going to link that in the description box. You should go check that out. But in this video, I'm going to be addressing all your queries related to the essential and the must-have bras that should be in your wardrobe. Along with that, I'm also going to give you guys a tip that's going to help you save a lot of money on your shopping online through cashbacks. Now, I've been using this myself for some time now, and I've been able to save a lot of money through it. I'm going to share a screenshot of my earnings on the screen somewhere right now. In fact, I spoke about this in a earlier Myntra haul video, and a lot of you DM'd me telling me that you gave it a try and were able to get a lot of cashback. So I'm glad that my tip helped you guys. If you guys are wondering what that is, it's actually a website called cashkaro.com, and they have over 1500 retail websites on their platform. They basically give you cashbacks for every time you shop online through Cashkaro. In fact, all the bras that I'm going to be showing you today are from Zivame, and I bought them through Cashkaro and I got a flat 10% cashback on my order. They also have other lingerie websites like Clovia, Shyaway, basically the top Indian lingerie websites, and all of them have amazing cashback offers. So I'm going to talk more about it later in the video, but for now, let's get started. So the first two bras that I highly advise you girls to keep in your wardrobe is a black and a nude bra. If you have these two bras in a wardrobe, you legit don't need anything else. Both of these are slightly different in style, so I'm going to talk about the black one first. This is your regular t-shirt bra, which can also be made strapless. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. So the material is that of cotton, which makes it really comfortable to wear throughout the day. It also has an underwire and it's slightly padded. It's not a push-up, so it gives you just enough support that you need without making it too uncomfortable. You can wear the straps, as a crisscross, or even take it off and wear it as a strapless. So all your doubts about what to wear under an off-shoulder dress or an off-shoulder top should be solved by this simple bra right here. The nude bra, however, on the other hand, is not a strapless bra. It does have removable straps, but it's not really a strapless bra. The reason is, if you can see the difference between how it's built, this doesn't have like a straight, it sort of bends, curves over here, compared to the black one that has like a straight band. This doesn't have that, which means if you try to wear it as strapless, it's not gonna, give you enough support. It's not gonna hold up. However, you can obviously put the straps in a crisscross way, or you can even wear this as a halter bra. So do keep this in mind that removable straps does not always mean that you can wear it as a strapless bra. So these two are the ones that I highly recommend that you must keep in your wardrobe. Now, just something that I want to share here is that under your white tops, white t-shirts, white dresses, always prefer wearing a nude bra. In fact, always wear a nude bra. And another thing, nude will be different for everyone. So it needs to be the same tone of your body. So this would be nude for me, but if you are slightly duskier, a tan colored bra would be nude for you. So do keep that in mind. Now, the next bra that I recommend is this wire-free, very thinly padded t-shirt bra. Now, this is very comfortable for everyday wear under t-shirts, tops, and especially with everyone staying at home and working from home, these can literally become your go-to bras. I specifically bought this one because of its sporty look, and Zivame was giving an amazing offer on this. I mean, I think the MRP is around $950, and Zivame was giving it to me on a discount for about 400 rupees. On top of that, I also got a cashback from Cashkaro, so it just made it the perfect buy. So these can actually, in the current scenario, become your go-to bras because they're super comfortable and you can literally lounge around in these all day. In fact, with the current pandemic situation, I think everyone is preferring to shop online. But when it comes to shopping for lingerie online, I think सबको दो major concerns होते हैं. First one is obviously how to get good quality and your exact size while purchasing for it online. Now, the first bit of it is the quality thing. I obviously make these haul videos so that you guys can get to know which brands to go for. And the second bit about getting the exact size, all lingerie websites, including Zivame, even Clovia, Shirewear, basically any website that sells lingerie always has a size chart, and all you need to do is take a measuring tape and just match your measurements with the size chart, and you can actually get your perfect size. That's how I shop for these online, and it really gives you the exact size. The second major concern जो सबको होता है is that how to get these good quality lingerie at affordable prices, and that's where Cash Karo comes in, because it's literally paying you money to shop online in the form of cashback earnings जो आप अपने account में transfer कर सकते हैं. This is like literally legit money which you can transfer to your account after it crosses the 250 rupees threshold. And not just that, it has amazing offers on brands also, like Zivame I mentioned has a flat 10% on all your orders. Shirewear on the other hand has a 350 rupees flat cashback on every order of 450 rupees. However, quality wise I do recommend Zivame, but you can also give Shirewear a try. I've actually done a Shirewear haul in my earlier video, so I'm going to link that in the description box so you can go check that out as well. It's super easy to use Cash Karo. I'll mention a link in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't get anything out of it. It's going to only benefit you guys. आप उस पे click करिए, it'll take you to the sign up page. I'm also going to show a screen recording of how to do it on the screen. Quickly sign up. It's just a one-step sign up, so it's super easy. After that, आप जिस retailer से shop करना चाहते हैं, just click on that. It's going to take you to that retailer's website. Then just shop normally as you would do. Put products in your cart. You can even do COD, which I think everyone prefers. So आप वो भी करें. Any discounts or coupons that you have, otherwise you can apply that as well. On top of that, you will get this cashback, which is the best thing ever. So once you do all of that, check out normally as you would. After that, you can go to your Cash Karo account and check your earnings in the My Earnings section. Now, once your order is confirmed and you don't return or cancel your order, you will get the earnings and you can transfer these to your bank account. This is a great way to save money, guys. Trust me, I've also been using it and everyone needs it now more than ever. So I highly recommend it. Anyway, moving on to the next bra that I want to recommend to you girls is a sports bra. Now, sports bra comes in different styles. You have low impact, medium impact, and high impact depending on the kind of workout that you do. This one that I got from Zivame is a medium impact sports bra. It has a very comfortable material. This is medium impact and it's perfect for yoga or Pilates, not some very heavy like cardio or running. So medium impact is good for that. And please do not wear a regular bra whenever you work out. It's just not good for your breasts. So I highly recommend that you must have a sports bra, and if not for working out, you can also just wear it under a t-shirt because these are really comfortable. The next bra that I want to tell you guys about is a bralette. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it and probably even have one, but two major reasons I think this is an essential is because number one, you can wear it as it is, like a top with high-waisted pants or trousers, if you're comfortable, of course. And number two is that you can actually layer it up with a blazer, a coat, wear it under a mesh or sheer tops as well, which makes it a very versatile and a comfortable bralette. ये जो specific one है, I picked this up because the material is very soft, cottony material, and I love the lace, lace detailing as well on it. And of course, I got it at a really affordable price. I think MRP here is $7.99, but again, I've got it for like $4.50 or something, which makes it super affordable and good quality. The last but not the least is not actually a bra, but it's a shapewear. Now, for the longest time, I didn't think it was an essential, but now I really see the importance of it, and I highly recommend that you should keep a shapewear in your wardrobe. The major reason for that is that it really makes the outfit look really well fitted, and it looks nice on your body. So I have, like, my problem areas I feel is my tummy, because I don't have a flat stomach, and my love handles. So this shapewear actually helps me cover that because it's high-waisted. It's a high-waist shapewear. So it focuses and targets my love handles and my tummy. There are different kinds of shapewears over there. So depending on what your problem area is, you can pick up a shapewear accordingly. The material of these shapewear is spandex, which means it's tight. Of course, it's really tight, which is what basically helps you give that perfect shape. These are especially good if you're wearing bodycon dresses or like t-shirt dresses, because they make a huge difference. So those were my recommendations for your must-have essential bra. bras plus a shapewear. I have already done a more detailed video where I talk about what to wear under what, which I'm going to link in the description box, so you should go check that out if you're watching this first. And before I end this video, I highly suggest you guys to give Cash Karo a try. It's a great way to save money. I mean, they're literally paying you money to shop online. What's better than that, right? So comment below and DM me with your experience of Cash Karo, और अगर आपने अभी use नहीं किया है तो give it a try and there's nothing to lose. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends or girlfriends, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.